Partnering with MERAKI Vision is unlike any experience you've had before. You've probably worked with other freelancers or agencies who were unreliable when it comes to delivery, or just downright unable to build what you've requested. So here's how we're different. First, we approach every project in a unique way. We strategize together with the brand to make sure that we get a full 360-degree view of the business and understand exactly what the client wants. Then we plan everything into chunks of work with our internal resources, as well as setting up milestones. This ensures that we have a strong foundation to complete the project within the estimated time and budget. When executing the project, we're doing daily checks of the progress to make sure that the team stays on track. And we have a very transparent communication policy to let the client know if there's ever any issues. In doing this, we ensure that the client is happy with the outcome of their project and puts them on the road to success. We operate in an organized way so that you don't have to stress or deal with issues on your end. A successful project for us means a happy client for you.